Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Darshna Parmar. Today is about on Teachers Day given by Hina Basarvaya. Our topic is an article introduction. Article play an important role in English grammar. અંગ્રેજી ભાષામાં આર્ટિકલ એ મહત્વનો ભાગ ભજવે. In English language constructed by various parts of speech like noun, article, adjective, verb, pronoun. Definition of article. Article is a word used to modify a noun. Types of article. There are two types of article: definite article, indefinite article. Let's discuss it in detail. Definite article. This is the word the and it refers directly to a specific noun or groups of noun. Use of the article. We use the with superlative sentence. Superlative sentence માં the article વપરાય છે. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Indefinite article. We use a before consonant sound like a university or European. We use an before vowel sound. સ્વર અવાજમાં n article વપરાય છે. Use of this article. It used in words that begin with a silent letter. કોઈ શબ્દની શરૂઆત silent letterથી થાય તેમાં n article લાગે છે. An hour. Used to describe person job. કોઈની વ્યક્તિની નોકરીનું વર્ણન કરવા માટે થાય છે. It used in the sense of any. તેમાં કોઈનું વર્ણન થાય છે. It used to describe whole class. આખી જાતિનું વર્ણન. Zero article. We use zero article with uncountable and plural noun when we talk about the people or thing. Like example, teacher having holiday. To sum up, thus I can say that article play an important role in day-to-day life. day-to-day લાઈફમાં આર્ટિકલ એ મહત્વનો ભાગ ભજવે છે. Play an important role. Thank you for watching my video.